In a fast-paced material handling environment, safety and efficiency are paramount. For over a century, our client has been a leading provider of material handling solutions, including forklifts, pallet jacks, and automated guided vehicles. With customers across industries like retail, warehousing, automotive, and logistics, they've built a legacy of reliability and innovation. But as the industry shifts toward greater automation, so do the demands for advanced safety and navigation systems on the factory floor. Traditional detection systems often struggle to keep up with constantly changing layouts and high traffic patterns, resulting in false alarms, missed detections, and a risk of costly accidents. Our client needed a solution that could navigate these challenges while withstanding the harsh conditions of factory floors. Beyond accuracy, the solution had to be rugged enough to handle the shock, vibration, and dust common in industrial settings. It also required advanced AI to support data-driven decision-making and real-time analysis. Premio's answer? The JCO 3000 ORNA AI Edge computer, powered by NVIDIA's Jetson Orin NX module. This compact, high-performance device delivers up to 100 TOPS of AI processing with a power draw between 10 to 25 watts, offering the efficiency and power needed for robust object detection and decision-making. The JCO 3000 ORNA features a balanced array of I/O options, including dual LAN ports, 8 digital I/O channels, and high-speed USB and COM ports. This connectivity allows it to integrate seamlessly with other devices on the factory floor, like GIG cameras, for high-resolution imaging and accurate navigation. Additionally, with Ulxen's out-of-band OB management, technicians can monitor and manage devices remotely, minimizing the need for on-site support and reducing downtime. Built for tough industrial conditions, the JCO 3000 ORNA is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, shock, and vibrations. Its fanless and rugged construction ensures reliability under constant factory floor stresses. With UL, FCC, and CE certifications, this AI Edge computer also meets stringent safety standards, providing peace of mind for customers operating in high-stakes environments. The results were significant. By enhancing object detection and pedestrian avoidance through real-time AI, our client achieved safer, optimized routes for their vehicles, drastically reducing the risk of accidents. Automated tasks were streamlined, with machine-to-machine communication reducing the need for manual intervention. The system's flexibility allowed it to adapt to dynamic factory layouts and shifting traffic patterns, ensuring reliable performance even as conditions evolved. In addition to improving safety, this AI-enabled solution drove cost savings by preventing collisions and minimizing downtime. Premio's dedicated engineering and sales teams provided ongoing support, ensuring that our client could adapt and expand their systems with confidence. With Premio's JCO 3000 ORNA, this leading material handling provider has found a powerful tool for advancing safety, reliability, and efficiency on the factory floor. From rugged durability to responsive support, this solution demonstrates Premio's commitment to empowering its clients with AI-driven innovation, enhancing the safety and productivity of material handling environments worldwide.